Feeling good as hell. Hey guys, what up? Maryam here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another try on and review of Drop 2 by QUAY x LIZZO, their brand new sunglasses collection that just hit QAustralia.com on August 12th. I'm really excited about this one because I feel like there are a lot of Asian fit friendly frames in this one. Also, QUAY and LIZZO are committing $100,000 to the NAACP Legal Defense Fund plus election protection to help lift barriers to voting in the US. Because representation matters, voter access matters, and voter education matters. Oh yeah, I'm also going to create a sunglasses try-on playlist for you guys to check out all of my other reviews of QUAY and other celebrities' collections. Plus, I might actually make it a priority on my channel to just review shades and to let you know what actually fits the face and what does not, okay? So with that said, remember to subscribe if you aren't already. Hit that notification bell so you can see all of my Wednesdays and Sundays videos. I do mostly makeup reviews. However, sunglasses and facial accessories are a part of beauty and they are a part of fashion, so I'm including that as well. Enough talking, let's get to this collection. QUAY x LIZZO, Drop 2, 2020 represent. Here we come. So I'm not exactly sure how many styles are in this Drop 2 collection. I have two trays in front of me, and the top tray also includes this very important facial mask. This one is $10. It's available on QAustralia.com. Basically, it's a polyester and cotton blend mask that fits on the chin and can also be molded around the nose, and it just looks so damn cool. I'm actually gonna try this one on for some of the styles. Remember, sunglasses over the mask, not under the mask. Now let's get to the actual sunnies. The first style that is new to this Drop 2 collection is this Hold for Applause oversized shield. Comes in two different colors, a golden brown tortoiseshell, they call it bronze on the website, and a black smoke. This style is $65, and I swear you guys, I have to read this for you. I feel like QUAY Australia put this in just for me. This style has glam gold details plus adjustable nose pads for people with a low nose bridge, high cheekbones, or those who like to wear their glasses higher up on their nose. Guys, that is, in a nutshell, Asian fit. So typically sunglasses like this, if they do not have the adjustable nose pads, would not fit my Asian face. Because I do in fact have a low nose bridge that starts below my eyes, as opposed to a non-Asian nose bridge that typically starts at around the eyebrow level. I'm actually gonna plug in a picture of J-Lo so you can compare my low nose bridge to her higher nose bridge. So Asian fit isn't just about the high cheekbones, it's about the combination of a low flat nose bridge and wide prominent high cheekbones. So keep that in mind. Anyway, let's try on this style. Hold for applause. Bish, these are fire, and I honestly feel like a celebrity in these. I love the fact that you could still see my eyebrows, but it covers like a third of my giant face, so that makes me extremely happy. Boom, boom, boom. I feel like you could wear these in every single season, from the summer to the fall to the winter to the spring. You could even wear it with a beanie, with a hat. It's kind of like almost a ski goggle like, but it's just so cool. The details are in fact very glam. I love the fact that there's gold, because clearly you can tell I love me some gold. And I don't know, this just makes me feel rich. Let's try out the black smoke. Same gold details, but for some reason they feel a lot more silver on the black smoke version, but just as badass. I feel like with this style you can do like a one of those, catch them off guard. This one is definitely an intimidating type of shield. It'll help shield you from the world in case you don't want to be bothered. Love those. And the adjustable nose pads, I feel like this is just such a gift for me. Thank you, QUAY, and thank you, LIZZO. Next up, we have another brand new style called Starry Eyed. Comes in two colors, a black smoke and a purpley, peachy, pink, gold. So I'm gonna plug in a little iPhone video just to show you the detail on the frame, which is so cool. It's got some perforated holes and also some stars. So kind of very star-studded Starry Eyed. I love the fact that the lens is a little bit more in, so it's not sitting directly on the frame. I didn't even need to adjust the nose pads on that. How cute are these? These are just so everyday, very wearable, but so cool because of the little details. So they feel a little bit more luxe to me. Now these are also $65. I love the aviator style. Let's see if I adjust the nose bridge. Beautiful, even better. Just so bitchin', you know? Just so casually slaying the day. Love these a lot. Let's go ahead and put on the gold, purple, pink. So cool. Definitely coming a little close to the face here because as you can see, there's not too much room between my cheek and the bottom of the aviator here. I feel like this is due to the fact that this frame leans a little bit more in as opposed to the high keys, which are totally flat and that have a little bit more room, but you can definitely adjust that by pushing the nose pads up towards your nose, yeah, and give them just a little bit more room. So if I smile, they still kind of meet the cheeks, but it's not as drastic as before. Okay, I literally had to push them out so far from my nose just so that they're elevated off my face. Not bad though. These are very summery, very summer into fall friendly, I would even say. And what I like about these is that they feel like jewelry. So you don't necessarily need to have like a full-on embellished look. This is it. This is the kind of frame that will give your face that necessary touch of bling, you know? I like the fact that you can still see my brows. Detail is so, so cool. Love it. Next up, you guys, we have a limited edition frame. And actually, according to the website, there are several limited edition frames. So I only received one of them in PR, and the ones that I received, of course, were the most peculiar ones. All right, so here we have the $125 limited edition Seeing Stars frame. So initially, I thought this was just like another cool sunglass chain, but then I took these out of the box and I realized, oh my gosh, it's actually missing the legs. Apparently that's what they're called, the legs. So I was really perplexed. I had no idea how to put these on. How would these even stay on my nose? How would they work with Asian fit? So then I just decided to go ahead and try it. I adjusted the nose pads. I set these shades on my nose, and then I used the chain to balance the shades behind the ears, kinda like that. They definitely don't feel very sturdy on the face, but they don't look like they're going anywhere. I'm shaking and they're shaking with me, but they're staying put. To be honest, this is not my favorite design. I feel like this is just a little too innovative for my liking, but it is kind of cool, and it does have a real amethyst crystal attached to it. Look at that. Ping! So this is definitely one of those frames that will get some attention. People will be asking you questions like, where are the legs? I personally don't know how I feel about these, so I'm gonna turn to you guys. Comment below and rate these shades on a scale of 1 to 10. I'm gonna give them a solid 6 for effort. I feel like they're innovative, but a little wonky. Tray 1 is complete. Let's move on to tray number 2. Okay, so although the Seeing Stars limited edition wasn't really my cup of tea, I do definitely like the frame design. So thankfully, Seeing Stars also comes in 2 regular frame styles. These are not $125, these are actually $65 each. We have a blue light defense frame in gold and clear blue light, and we also have a black smoke frame. It reflects a green pink. I don't know if you guys can see, maybe not so much on camera, but there's a slight iridescent sort of tone to this, almost like my eyeshadow. Adjustable nose pads, cute little star cutouts on the side, metal frame, very cool. These for some reason make me feel very London/Tokyo. Something about this style is very cool. It's a little retro, but in a modern 2020 take. These would look really cool with your hair slicked back behind your ears. Imagine this nice and slick. I could totally see myself dressing these up with a nice trench coat, kind of like a fall shade. If you really want to look cool, like you've got your shit together, when you probably really don't. I like that vibe. Who can relate? All right, and let's try the blue light defense. Same exact style, perforated stars, gold frame. Ooh, I am loving these. Yes, I could see these in my next Insta story. Feeling these a lot. These are just like Hot for Teacher meets anime. I don't know, something about it is so whimsical. It makes me feel good about my life. Very Gen Z friendly, as my sister would say. Very Gen Z. Moving right along to the next style, which is Totally Buggin. Totally Buggin is $55, but they do have a limited edition style for $125. I don't have that one in front of me. I just have the two regular styles, the purple pink frame with the brown lens, which is also the same shade that Lizzo is wearing in this promo. First of all, I feel like this is a very contemporary frame style. I feel like I'm seeing a lot of these transparent, colorful types of shades that are reminiscent of like the late 90s and early 2000s. This is very current, and this is what's cool right now. This is what's happening. So let me show you. Does this make me feel more cool and more current and more vibin'? In fact, it does. I like this frame. I like the fact that this is Asian fit friendly without actually needing the adjustable nose pads. The reason why this is happening in this frame is because it's a much narrower style. So it's not coming down to meet with my cheekbones. It is kind of hugging my nose around here. And also the space in between the two lenses is enough for my wide nose bridge. And this style is the answer to those microscopic lenses that were so popular last year that I did not wear because I didn't think they were appropriate for my giant face. These, on the other hand, are totally your everyday shades with just a bit of more color. Let's try on the tortoiseshell smoke. Ooh, these I like even more. All right, what do we do with the hair for this one? A little top bun, yeah, it's working. Or like with messy beachy waves, you know, just like on the beach. These I think are very sturdy. They're not making any sound. They actually feel like a pair of Versace's that I own. I like these a lot. Let's do After Party. After Party is a $55 frame. Comes in two colors, tortoiseshell brown and a black smoke. The space between the lenses here isn't as wide as on the Totally Buggins, so I'm not sure if they will fit, but I hope they do because I really like this oversized style. Somehow they are actually working. These are really simple, chic, everyday, kind of like a everyday local celebrity type of style. Same fit, they kind of just like hug around the nose, so there will be some makeup melting, some malfunctions here in this area, but not too bad. Just try not to smile if you have the Asian face, because then you're gonna have to do one of these. Or you should not be going outside without a mask. What Asian fit? No problems. And the last style from drop 2 of Key X Lizzo is the style called Around the Way. Now this is a $65 frame, very cute, kind of retro, aviator meets cat eye, oversized, comes in two different colors. We have a gold black fade and a rose pink. Though the pink to me looks a little bit more purple than pink. There's definitely a shift from blue to pink to pink to blue. You guys see that? Whereas the fade is just a fade. These also have the adjustable nose pads. Thank God. These are really, really, really cute. I honestly see these with like a tie-dye belly top and some high-waisted bell-bottom jeans. You see what I'm seeing? And I'm manifesting it. I'm gonna need that outfit in my life and I'm gonna make that happen come fall. I even see these with like a vibrant fuchsia matte lip. That would bring the look together. Let's do a little something to mess up the hair. Imagine that, flipped out. Hey, how you doing? Kind of like Clueless vibes, 2020 style. Get my drift? As if. And here comes the black fade with gold. Ooh, groovy baby, yeah. I'm seeing it, I'm seeing it. Just like. However it lands kind of vibes. But definitely like with a little bit more volume in the hair. And this is a glam shade with an all black outfit with your Vote mask. I love these. All right, so those are all the frames on my face. I am going to call in my swatch model, who's going to be a model today. Wait, but how do you brush your hair though?
I twist it. But I didn't even brush my brows or anything. Okay, so I can sit low. How's that?
Boom! All right, so first let's show your face. As you can see, Lee's nose bridge actually starts at the level of his eyebrows. So he has a much more prominent nose bridge than I do. So sunglasses will sit on his nose bridge and not on his actual cheeks. Let's try on, hold for applause.
It look crooked on me, or is that my face?
It might be my face. and the way that I adjusted them for me. I feel like this style is a little bit too wide for your narrow face. It might be just a little big for you, so keep that in mind for those of you who have a narrower face. Thank you. All right, let's try on the after party.
Not my look.
But thanks for modeling.
But I'm just modeling, trying to help, you know.
All right, cool.
I think these would look really cool on the right girl for sure, though.
Hey!
Everything I put on looks crooked on me. Wait, maybe I just need to straighten my head.
Oh, look at that enviable space. Holy crap. I can fit like 2 fingers there. It's a lot of space. Must be nice, can't relate. Thank you. And last but not least.
Somebody was trying to be creative here.
No, you just keep them there.
Oh.
Yep. Somebody was really trying to be creative there. Do they actually sit on your face?
I actually like these.
Can you like shake your face? You like these?
I kind of like these, actually.
All right, you can keep them. Something wonky and weird about them.
There is a... Hello? Hello, is that you?
I was like, kiss it for good luck. That's what I did.
I'm going to win.
You're good. All right, you guys, and I have just finished trying on all the styles from this Drop 2 Key X Lizzo collab. I want to give you my top 3 styles from this collection because I definitely have formulated an opinion and I'm ready to share it with you. First of all, this overall collection is very, very cool. I love the cause. I love what Key and Lizzo are doing for voter rights. I feel like they're definitely representing 2020 well. At number 3, I am thinking it's a toss-up for me between the Starry Eyed aviator frame with the perforated holes, the embossed stars. This is just a really cool, very easy, everyday type of sunny that I really like, that I would reach for often, and it's just a classic, but just a little bit more than a classic, especially with this one that feels just like a jewelry piece. So this is my third fave slash totally Buggin, which is also my third fave. I don't know which one I like more. I just feel like these are so current and they're a little bit different than what we're used to seeing. They're kind of like the answer to the micro shades that I wasn't really loving because my face is just a little too big for those micro shade styles. So this is bigger, but it still has that vibe, that cool girl, contemporary, modern, chic, with a little bit of sophistication, but also playfulness. It's just a great, 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 great style. So those are in my number 3 slot. In my number 2 slot, I am actually going to vote for a shade that I would typically never vote for because these styles never ever fit my Asian face. But because Key and Lizzo decided to include some adjustable nose pads in this style, the hold for applause is my second favorite style from this collection. I just feel like they are so, so cool. Something that I never typically wear because I can't, but now I can, and it makes me feel amazing. Like a superstar, like a local celebrity, like I can hide from the world, but also go skiing at the same time. I don't know. These are just universal. I really love them. They will work with a mask. They will work with lots of different outfits. They just seem very sturdy. Love those. And the number 1 favorite style from this collection for me is Seeing Stars. Not the limited edition though. The actual legged frames. I love these so much. I feel like they are so cool. Something that I haven't really seen before. The clear makes me feel young and spunky and whimsical, whereas the black makes me feel incredibly chic and sophisticated and cool at the same time. I love the vibes. It's giving me London/Tokyo, like I mentioned before. It's just right. I can see myself wearing this with different hairstyles, and it's just unique enough to be special, but classic enough to be worn for a long time. That is my story. That is my review and try on. I am sticking to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me put on these frames just so I can finish it off for you and zoom on out so that you can click on my other reviews. I have more sunglasses try-ons and reviews. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah!